Introducing Ox Spectrum blades. For those of you who do know your diamond blades, you'll know the name Spectrum by now. They've been in the game for a long time. I've got 4 ranges in front of me to show you now, and these are ranging from your sort of more generic stuff to really specialist and powerful blades. Starting off down here, we've got the 2 general duty blades, and this is for your standard diamond cutting. When you come to think of your disc cutters and things like that, your block work, your concrete, these will get that done really efficiently and really good. The cut might not be as fine, but they will just tear through that general block work and do a really solid job. Moving on to the middle ranges here, we've got these ones, which are, again, they're for the general duty, but slightly heavy duty material, and they will cut extremely fast. They're called turbo, and they're designed to get those cuts done absolutely rapidly, and that can be so important when you're making those larger cuts on site. Moving up again, we've got the Pro Turbo Super Fast, and these are for the heavy of heavy duties materials. These can cut all the way up to an RSJ, and if you need one of those in a pinch, you know how valuable that can be. These are designed for really heavy duty cutting, and they're designed to cut through those materials like a knife through butter. Moving on to the Extreme Performance range on the end here, and these are designed for more specialist materials. As you can see on the edge, they have a mesh design around the outside, and what that means is you are going to get clean cuts in porcelain tiles up to 2 centimeters thick. And you know, right now people are loving porcelain tiles both inside and out, and if you need a blade that's going to make those clean cuts where you're getting a valuable material and you do not want to make a single mistake, check these guys out. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. If you need some new diamond blades, check out the Ox Spectrum range, because they are really good quality and fantastic value for money. You can check out all of their stuff now at its.co.uk.